Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to comment a GIF photo on the comment section of any post in Instagram. So if you just want to know about this trick, follow my video instruction. As we know, these days we are getting GIF photos on the comment section of Instagram posts like this one. Let me show you. So you can see this user has commented a GIF photo, but how? It's actually available for some special users. I mean, Instagram choose some of the users to use this option on their Instagram to testing that is working great or not. I mean, this option will be available like this one. You can see when we just go back on the story, we can just comment a GIF and will be available like this on your Instagram posts too. And if you just want to check is it available for your Instagram user or not, you have to just update your Instagram to the latest version, and then if it's available for you, you can just check out for the comment section and it will be there if it's available for you. But if it's not available for your Instagram user, don't be sad of that, because it's going to be available for all users very soon in these months. And you don't need to go search for some other way to post a GIF photo on post section of Instagram posts, because it's impossible. Just Instagram going to make it available for you, my friends. So that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.